Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. We dey do it for vlog, and tonight, I say me I go out and skate for no, or whatever the night in, whatever happening in the night, I go vlog the whole experience here for you. Why when me I vlog the phone, you want to ring? I'm my ex. My ex. My Ross, I'm my ex. Hello?
Hello?
What's up?
I thought you were to change your number.
No, I still have my number, man. I not expect a call from you. You good?
Yeah, you know, it's the other day I was in the store and I saw someone look just like you. And you just run past my mind, so I just decided to call you.
Oh, yeah?
How's everything?
Shit. Everything good, you know? How everything with you?
Not bad. You have a girl now?
Boy, the girl thing you know work out for me. Me a date. From me stop that, me a date still and just a date. You have nobody?
Well, I kinda have a local man, but him not there here. So what you up to? You wanna come see me?
Wait, me no do them kind of thing there, you know, cause me no really want. You know, me ain't them kind of cheat back and then your man go find out and a problem.
Him not come back till Friday, so you're good. You're safe, man. You don't believe me? Just come. I'll send you the address.
Yo, you have me weak, you know, dog. You know what?
Come on. You don't miss me?
What do you think me fi do? Me mute the call.
Me know you miss this.
Me mute the call, she can't hear. Me not even gonna lie still. Really miss it. But alright, fuck it. Send, me I come around there.
Alright, babes. Send you the address, okay?
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah. What the fuck? This a going to vlog, you know? More some condom. A rough ride I am. This good? Vlog girl, a long time I not see that girl, yeah. And when me tell her say she shape good, she shape good. What? I want me not do nothing when me have a regret. I got a video that will something whether she like it or not. I still don't know what me I gotta do. I normally do them something, you know. If I don't my girl, me don't want she cheat. But then again, you can't too trust them girls. I gotta do it, you know. Leave in the comment section if me if go over there or not. Me don't make up my mind. So vlog girl, me officially reach our crib here now. I think I especially live. Me nervous and freak. Me not like over here, so you know. I hope she not say nothing about the camera. Oh, God.
Good night. Wait. So, what's up with the camera?
No, me a vlog.
As long as you don't put me night, it's alright.
No, me not catch you.
Good night.
Good night.
Long time no see.
Long time I not see you. Look
Alright,
sexy saying in your shots,
Yeah,
yeah?
you don't know. You miss it?
Of course. Shit. You sure you alone there?
Yeah, but tell him my boyfriend not come back until Friday.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, good man.
Okay.
Come sit down. Make we catch up long time. Long time, you don't miss me.
Yeah, you paint over about the house. I like it.
Yeah, thank you. I'm trying my best, you know.
Yeah, get a bigger TV. I ain't buy this?
You mean I'm gonna have to buy it? I mean buy me things.
Oh, sorry. So life.
My life alright. You know? Nothing much change. What about you?
They see me, you know, try tug it out, you know. If I deal with me good, you know, can't complain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have a woman?
Me a date. You know that go. Not really a work.
I mean, you have many women.
No, no many woman.
So
just
find the right one.
You know life, yeah. Uno confusing.
We confused.
Yeah, woman confusing. No. You know?
Woman.
Yeah.
So how you and your family? Last time maybe.
My family good.
Yeah.
Mother asked boy the other day too.
Yeah, tell mommy me say hi.
Yeah, definitely I gotta tell her
Yes,
hi.
mommy too. No, mommy was good to me.
Yo, Star, you never miss my mother, man. Because you broke up with me. Remember you broke up with me. You know me broke up with you.
Cause you cheat on me?
You think me that cheat on you? Me tell you, say the girl was a fan. You think she was more than a fan. She's
so
a fan.
explain the panty in my bed then. Or you explain that?
Alright, she did want to go bed. And me just tell her I left it in her couch. But she carry in her bed with me. And so come. You still not believe me. See it, you not believe me. You think me and the girl did do something.
So what you doing taking a shower at your house?
She did wet. Because she see me and say me sexy.
You cannot look a bit too far. Because I can't really, eye contact and
Me come over, no.
yeah.
You know what I mean, so?
Let's come on, just have a bit. You act like you're afraid of me. Are you used to me?
No, I'm not afraid. I'm just nervous, you know?
Are you nervous?
I'm a little bit nervous,
Come
man.
on.
I get sexy and shape up too.
Yeah, but I have to keep my body right,
Look sexy.
You work out.
You can't, I have a nipple on my spot, you know? You can't do that. Yeah,
Yeah,
so.
your body feel good, boy. You work out now?
A little bit, me skate and everything, you know already.
So, you don't miss me? All the beard.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
You don't have a woman, you sure you don't like to me?
Me a date, man. That's all me I do, a date. I don't find nobody serious, you know? You can't touch me something, you know? Jesus Christ. You change the job where you work?
No, you know the same job.
Same job you
We
do?
kind of get promoted, so that's why I stay.
Why you supposed to reach now?
Oh, man.
That's how the house looks, so.
I mean, things expensive, so it's like when you get promoted, it's like you still not make no money.
True.
So, you know.
My nipple hard, you see? Ooh.
You say you no workout, so why is it tender?
You're turning
You can
on me.
massage it,
Yo, you sure your man not come home? Oh my God.
Keep on asking my man, and me and you now. You tell you not come until Friday. Why? Your body feel good too, you know?
Okay, now.
You sure you don't want to get more comfortable? You're hot? You want to take this off?
Me hot.
Take off your shirt.
You sure?
Yeah, just get comfortable.
Can't do it, man. Yo.
Why?
You gonna break up with him?
You want me to break up with him? You want me back in him? We can break up with him if you want. You know you have that type of
Yo, stop, man.
effect on me.
For real?
Yeah.
Sure, you just make me a blush.
Shirt, man. Get comfortable.
Me go fuck you if me take it off, you know?
Nothing wrong with that.
Yo. No, we can't do it. We can't do
Take
it.
it.
We can't do it. More pee-pee.
And take this off.
No, stop.
Take this off.
I want something to drink.
What?
Choke, Jai.
Alright, hold on. You get yourself.
Alright. Jesus Christ. I go fuck it. Never have no Magnum.
What, this good?
Oh, thank you.
You
Magnum.
Yeah, I know you like your Magnum.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying about Magnum?
You definitely want me fuck you. Let me see.
Say to me after what you're for. Think we talk all night?
No.
Okay then.
Say you not drink nothing.
I'm good.
Pull this stuff for me. Ooh.
Can't feed it to me. Let's make you sip some. Oh, that's yes. Like it.
Love it, man. I love it.
A bit more. Nice, right?
Yo.
Just gonna keep the rest for later.
No, you love me long time, you know. Sure.
But anyhow,
Mm-hmm.
I'm in there.
Mm-hmm.
What you say now? You want to take off your shirt because you're hot?
You sure you know I get comfortable?
I'm well comfortable. One treat for me take off. Let me just
Yeah, man.
take you off.
Wait, man. You have condom? Me there on birth control. Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait.
That's okay.
Me nervous. Bad.
You're used to me.
You do a lock? You do a lock?
Don't worry about the door.
Alright, go in there room. Go in there room.
No, oh, that's so good. You know, we like it.
So you know what? Take off a shot, too. Take off a shot. Alright, me ready for real now. Take off a shot. Seriously. Go and go take off a shot.
Yeah, a minute, one.
Alright. Flag girl. Move. Flag girl. Oh God, me don't know what to do. Oh, fuck it. Me go fuck it. Me must fuck it. Jesus Christ. Me don't know what to do. Me would stiff to, you know? Jesus Christ. You sure your boyfriend not gonna come?
No, man, baby. Me just say not come until Friday. Alright, we keep an eye for me. The boyfriend. Me and you,
Me just nervous, you know?
You don't have to be nervous, man.
You sure?
Yes, you're good.
Wait there. You go sexy up, man.
You tell me to put on something comfortable.
What that you the pan?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh shit, yeah, Jesus Christ.
So what, you take off something now?
Me take off my clothes. Let me see you serious first. Wait the pan, cause you call me over here, you know. Wait, you serious real then, man?
You know me already.
Oh God. Wait there, wait. Yup. Yo. You serious?
Very much so.
Wait. You gonna fuck me for real?
You have condom, right?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
How this? Why is so hard?
I'm going. You want me like off the camera?
Yeah, turn off the camera. Bomba clad! Shit!
How would that?
My boyfriend.
Yo, stop playing with me. How would that?
But you never supposed to come back here.
Stop playing with me. How would that?
Stop. You can't pretend that bed. Fuck.
Yeah.
What you got? Shit.
You're nice, though. How many bum?
You're good?
Yeah, shh. Go on, girl. Alright. You ask this, me get me still reader. See why me not like come and get here, you know. What else is here? Like come and people, you have to know. Jesus Christ. Father God, please take me out of this and me not give up no more hungry. Oh yeah.
Father Depot.
Father,
Fully.
you catch it at a lie?
Outside a lie.
Which a lie?
Bumbo class.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in on my life. Best pussy when me ever fall. God damn it, it's so tight.